Hello, this is what I sound like right now. I'm just getting over a rather bad cold, and now I sound like that freaking bear. So, I'm gonna have some fun with it. We slide downhill. Yay, hill. Oh, bird is calling. Bird is square. It's hip to be square. Squawk, 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 squawk. Shut up, bird. I want to go this way. Okay, you go that way. Hey, look, funny building. Funny building with flashing light. Let's go that way. I follow you. Oh, look, I has a bucket. That means 1 minute left before we are finished. Oh, doctor, oh, doctor, oh, doctor, how do I get this thing off my butt? Here, kitty, 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 here, kitty, here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh no, Mafia got me. Oh, doctor, oh, doctor, oh, doctor, I appear to have a fingro infection. Yes, doctor, yes, doctor, yes, doctor, I take bath every day. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. A rub-a-dub, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. That sucked. Oh, look, a candy cane. Thank you for candy cane. I will get out now and roll on the ground in happiness because you offer me a candy cane. Look at me, I make water. I get you wet. You wet now. Sorry. Oh no, minute is up. Now I am finished.
Varokaa heikkoa jäätä.
Varokaa heikkoa jäätä. Varokaa heikkoa jäätä. Varokaa heikkoa jäätä. Varokaa heikkoa jäätä. J'ai oublié tout mon français. Varokaa. Someone watching us. I would stop, but I'm loving the sound of my voice too much right now. Varokaa. Heikkoa kamehameha. Oops, sorry. Oh, doctor. Oh, doctor. Oh, doctor. Oh, doctor. Oh, doctor. How do I tell what gender I am? Jag är glömt all min svenska. Hey, Miko, you're so fun. You're so fun. You blow my buds. Hey, Miko. Varokaa, ha, 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 ha. Hikoa, ha, 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 ha. Yeah, ha, 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 ha. Bloody hell.
Hello, is there anybody in there? Just not if you can hear me. Is there anyone home? You call this fun?
Bloody hell.